Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch at Baselworld 2019 with TAG Heuer, looking at the new Autavia. This is the second watch to include Isograph, the first one that most people will be able to get. Isograph is a new regulation system technology. It's actually the hairspring made out of a new carbon composite material, which is really great for performance. There's more about Isograph in our articles on Autavia. The watches come in a few versions. They're 42 millimeters wide in steel or bronze. Fantastic looking dials with a lot of depth and detail. Very legible. There is a new strap release system so the bracelets can be taken off very easily. There's a NATO strap available and of course leather straps. The Autavia collection starts at $3,500 and you can see more on aBlogtoWatch. Thanks.